Okay. Second testing my light. Let me first test my light. Wow. It's perfect. My light is perfect. Okay. 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 Yeah. Like that. I like that. Perfect. Okay. I prefer you face this side. Yeah. No, that's too high. Just lower it. Then bring it for there. Then some space. No. Yeah. Release the fingers. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. Just face this side. Or just put this one on your neck. Okay. Okay, this one, just place it here. Then the other one. Yeah. Yeah, you can bend. Lean back a little. Yeah. Yeah, I loved it when you placing the hands here. Yeah, it's perfect. Then just turn the head this side. More. Okay, just put one here, here, and one here. Yeah, this is nice. You need another one? You want the one for movement? Okay, you can cross the way you are. Then, okay. But that's too much. Just put one forward. The leg should be on the same direction. They should be on the same line. Then wait. Yeah. Then yeah. Perfect. Yeah, you can. You can. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay. Can we have just face this side? Turn and face like me. And not this one. Yeah. And place this one. No, this one. Yeah, but towards the back. Let the elbow face behind. Yeah. Then lower it slightly. Yeah. Then the other hand, the other side, you can place it here. But this hand should be the elbow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, face me like that. Beautiful. A moment. Wow. I like it when you're smiling. I feel like it's better and more natural. So I just want it, yeah. I like that smile. Okay. Can we do this? Your face, I feel like your face this side. Yeah. Then this foot in front. Then I want you to hold your hands from the back. Yeah, but I need a little bit of a space. I know you'll turn this side slightly. Yeah. Then just place them here. And you look forward. Okay. I need a little bit of a space between. Yeah. Yeah. There. I'm taking four. So you're going to take two versions. Then look this side. Let me get that again. One, two. Okay, this is beautiful. Let's get another inspiration. This is what I wanted. But yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you can put it down. If it's okay with you. Can we do this? Then on your hip. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, I like that. One, one, two, three, go. Wow. Okay, can you just cross? Okay, let me show you how it should be. So, yeah, cross. Yeah, you raise this shoulder, just raise it. Okay? Just hold like this. Bend it. Yeah. Okay, eyes here now. Turn the head. Yeah. Okay. My smile is perfect. The smile is perfect. Yeah, then you're, yeah. So I'll get two versions of that. Okay, let's get the first one. Yeah. Do you prefer to smile or you don't prefer? Which one is better for you? Okay. Then raise your chin a little. That's too much. Yeah, there. Okay. Now with a smile. Let's get one more with a smile. Okay. Just put your weight on this other hip. Okay. Lower the hand a little. No, higher. Yeah. A smile. No, but a smile is perfect. A smile is perfect. Okay. Okay, let's have that. How about you just cross? Yeah. You could place one hand on the hip and one on your shoulder like this. No? One should touch your hair. One on the hip, one on your hair. Then your face towards your left. Slightly, so that I can see your face. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is nice. Okay. I am getting another pose for you. Can we have some when you're seated? Okay. So for this, when you're seated, I need something like. Ah, the leg should cross from the side. How come me I did it? No, you sit like close to the edge, and you. Yeah, but don't overstretch. Yeah. Yeah. Then just place this other hand on your. No? Okay, let's get a different one then. I feel like you're not. Okay. Let's get another one. Okay. Or maybe we could take more when you're standing. Or you can sit and you just pull one, yeah, like that. And this foot should be totally down. Yeah. Then one here. Yeah. One on the hip. I need to see the hand slightly. Yeah. Then this one, just place it on your thigh, like closer. Yeah. No, just pull this closer, and this one there. Then just slightly spread that. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Okay. Nothing is easy. Yeah? Just place one hand on the hip. Yeah? Then this other one. Okay? Just feel free. Are you comfortable? Okay. You could sit closer to the edge. Yeah, just forward. Then, yeah. Then this one, place it. This one should hold there. Yeah, that's fine. The other one, just touch. Yeah. Let's first get it from this side, the hand. Yeah. Then let's do a pose that you are doing initially on this shoulder. No, you had placed it. Yeah? Twice. Yeah, then eyes here. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Beautiful. Okay, let me try to change the light. I'll just place it here. Hey, posing is not easy. We could have a few more when you're standing, but I'll bring in something small. It's not easy, Sibiang. Because I feel like our background is so plain. How about I place it this side? So you're standing initially. Yeah, I just felt like it was so plain. So you can stand there. Then for the pose, just stand face me. Yeah. Yeah, I like when you're holding this other hand. Let's try to get that. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. It's not easy. Can I just have you? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Place it there. Let me see the other hand slightly. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, you raise your chin a little. That's too much. Lower. Yeah, perfect. Hey, it's not easy. Okay, can you